Okay guys, it's officially been like an hour and a half, 2 hours, but we have finally finished grinding away everything that we potentially can. Obviously I need to re-get some of these corners and stuff, but see how I was able to smooth out some of them, make them look kind of cool finish. What I need to do is I need to get the grinding, take off the sanding wheel and put on the like grinder wheel and grind all that away. And then we should be good to go on that. Wasn't able to get in there again because of that problem, so we just need to kind of touch up over everything with the other wheel. We should be pretty good. Everything is coming along really well. Again, I just can't reach everything, so next thing we're gonna put on that brush wheel, the wire brush wheel, and clean up all of that to match the other side. That started off as white when I started this. That is almost all the way through. That is crazy. Okay, look at that. That looks really good. I'm like super stoked on that. I know you guys might be hearing a little wind, so I'm sorry about that. That literally looks as good as it's gonna get, I feel like. So I feel like the next step we're gonna have to take, kind of finish cleaning up the little miscellaneous areas on here. Can't get in there in those grooves, so what we're gonna do is just hope that it doesn't shine through and just do an extra coat of the blue in that area and just hope it doesn't go through. I honestly don't think this could have turned out any better. We need brake cleaner, we're gonna clean this up, and then we should be good to go after that and get ready for paint. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, guys, because this whole thing has been kind of costly, so you guys help me out by hitting that subscribe button. We have over 500 subscribers now, so that's a pretty cool, neat thing. I'm super pumped on that. That looks so good. It's very, very glossy. It oversprayed a little bit on that side and started to drip a little bit, but I don't think that should be too much of a concern because the windshield should cover that up. So that looks pretty good. Hopefully tomorrow we can get ready to paint and get it all looking like that. Once we do that, then we can start assembling everything else together and we should be good to go. All right, guys, I'm just have to blow left. So thank you so much for hitting that subscribe button and for watching today's video. I'll see you guys tomorrow in the next one. And enough say, I guess it's time to end it.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things. I gotta just let it all out, I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me I should do this.